Hello guys, welcome. I'm Oluwafemi. I've received a lot of messages from different people about the vlookup and the xlookup and how to add the if error formula, that's the error checking formula in the xlookup and the vlookup. So this is the demonstration I just want to do right away. Let me start with this. When you talk of vlookup and xlookup, xlookup retrieve information from the right, start from the left to the right. That's for vlookup. But xlookup can retrieve both left and right. I don't know whether you understand what I mean. If you are anything you are retrieving, if it's by the right, you can use your vlookup. But what you are retrieving, if it's by the left, you use your xlookup. So let's do a demonstration. You can see this. That's a Muhammad. This Muhammad here. We can see it here. Then they say we should retrieve the customer segment. This is a customer segment which is by the right. So in this case, our vlookup will work so perfectly. So let's do the demonstration. You write your equals to. If you are starting any formula in Excel, you start with equals to. Then you write your vlookup. The vlookup. Now they're asking lookup value. This is your lookup value. Then you put your comma. Then they say lookup array. Where did you want to retrieve this data, this particular customer segment from? You can press your F5. It will display your table range for you. That's 1. Then we'll click on it. Now you put your comma again. Now it's asking for the column. That's the column number of what you want to retrieve, and it is a customer segment. We can see customer segment here, right? So this is the column. Now I already numbered the column from 1 to 10, so you can see that this segment falls under 9. So you put your 9, then you put your comma, then you just click an exact match because we want exact match. Then you close your bracket, then you hit enter. You can see it gave me small business. And if you check through, this is it here. This is what we put in, and this is what we retrieved. You can see that's vlookup for you. But now I want to add error checking formula in this particular video. I'll double click. Then my formula bar has opened. I'll just come to the last part and I'll type if error. Then I'll go to the last part of my formula. Then I will open a double quotation and another double quotation. Then I will close the bracket. What this simply means that if there's any error at all, you should show me blank. This double quotation means blank. Then I'll hit my enter. Why is it okay? The reason why this didn't work is because I did not indicate a comma here. A comma is supposed to be inserted here to ascertain that I already finished with that and I'm starting another statement here. Then I hit my enter. You can see it has done that for me. So let's do more demonstrations with the lookup assignment that was given to us. So this is another one. I think it's the same thing we did the other time, so I can actually do that again. So use your vlookup. You start by typing equals to vlookup. Then what value are you looking out for? You're looking out for this. Then your comma, your table array. What's your table array? You can press your F5. Your F5 will bring out all your tables, which is table 1. Then you hit it. So now you put your comma again. Now it's asking you that what is the index column. Since you are retrieving information from this customer segment, then the column is 9. Then you put your 9, then you put another comma, then you put exact match, then you close your brackets. You can hit your enter. Then you can see your formula is written well. Then to add your if error, your error checking statements, you can put it behind there. You type if error, then you come to the last part of the statement. You put your comma, then you put your double quotation which shows blank, then you close the bracket, then you hit enter. You can see I've added an error checking formula to this, which is the if error. You understand? So, like I established earlier, if you're working with your VLOOKUP, that means you want to retrieve something to the left, from the left to the right. Sorry, if you're using your VLOOKUP, it's from the left to the right. But if you want to use your XLOOKUP, what you are retrieving more can be either from the left or to the right. And this is an example here. If you check our table very well, you can see the date. The date this is the date here. Let me go to the table. This is the date here. This is the date here, and what we are retrieving is here. You can see it's from the what, from the right to the left. So if we use vlookup here, it will not work because what you are retrieving is just from the right to the left, so it will not work. So the only thing that will work here right now is our xlookup. So let's do the xlookup. You write your equals to, I've said it earlier, if you want to do anything or you want to write any formula in Excel, all you just need to do is just to put your equals to, then you put your xlookup, then you look up what is the what value does your lookup value, what are you looking for, which is this. Then you put your comma, then it's a lookup array. Where is the lookup array? Then you go to the table. This is our lookup array here, which is the date. You copy it, you highlight it, sorry, then you put your comma. Now it's asking you that which array do you want to return. You want to return this sales amount. That is what we want to return. You put your comma again. You cannot put, you might decide to, because the other ones they are in square brackets, that means they don't really matter. So you can close your your formula here, then you hit your enter. You can see it has already brought it out for me. So if I want to add my if error, this is my if error, I will just put if error here, then I will go to the last part, I'll put comma, then I'll write what I want it to display from, which is what, which is blank. Then I hit my enter, so it has done that for me. So same thing for the other ones, which is, this is customer. You want to retrieve from the sales and customer. Let's go and see where sales is, see where customer is. Sales and customer name, I guess that's what I want to receive. Yes, customer name, sales and customer name, sales. This is sales and this is customer name. So it's retrieving what you want to retrieve is by the left. So the only thing that will work here is our xlookup. So we're still going to do it again. Equals to xlookup, equals to xlookup. What is the lookup value? This is the lookup value. You put your comma. The lookup array, you go to the table. This is what we were looking at. This is a lookup array. You highlight it, you put your comma. Then the return array, you want to return the customer name. You highlight again, then you close the bracket, then you hit your enter. It has done that for us. Now to add your error checking formula, you write if error, then you go to the last part, then you put your comma and you put your double quotation, which is what, which is blank, then you hit your enter. It has done that for us. So let's go to the very last one here, which is also what we want to retrieve is customer and region. Let's go and see. This is customer here, this is region. Okay, where's region? This is region here, and this is what we want to retrieve. So you know it's from the right to the left. So the only thing that will actually work here is the xlookup. So let's go back. Then you write equals to xlookup. What is the lookup value? This is the lookup value, which is the region. Then you put your comma again, then you go to lookup array, go to your table, you go to region, you highlight all in the region, then you put your comma again, then you say return array. Which array do you want to return? That's the customer name. You copy all, then you close your parentheses, then you hit enter. Now it has done that. Then you can add your error checking formula, which is this. You can write if error, then you put it here, your error outcome, you put your comma, then you put your blank, you close the bracket, then you hit your enter. So your error message or your error checking formula has been imputed into your formula. So I hope this assists those who are asking questions about vlookup, xlookup, and if error, how to incorporate if error in your formulas. Thank you very much.